Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to implement front-end pagination inside React.js application. So for this purpose we will be using a special library of React.js which is called as sweetpagination. So basically it's a React.js component library to render beautiful pagination themes. So which comes with various styles. You will see that this is a first style, this is a second style, this is a third style. So you can also have custom styles as well. You can write CSS rules to make it really custom according to your application. So you can see this is a module. It has got 377 weekly downloads. So we will be using this newly library which is there on npm. So if you just search sweet pagination, this module will come here. It's a pagination module for React.js applications. So if you have a lot of data that needs to be displayed on the screen, you can just use pagination for that. So simply search sweet pagination and this is a module. So let me just show you the short little demo of this application. So basically you will see that we are displaying 5 items per page. These are the pagination items. So if you want to go to the second page, the next items will be displayed here. If you want to go to the third page, the next 5 items will be displayed. Similarly, fourth, fifth. So in this case, guys, this is the pagination things. So you can also change the theme accordingly. Various themes are there. So this is style one. This is you can see it has got this is the first theme. It has got green theme, so green background color. So if you change this style to style 2, this will change to different theme here. This is a style 2, which is you can see different theme here. You can also change the style to style 3 also. So this will change to different theme here, you can see. So 3 themes are available. So whichever you like, you can prefer, you can make it. And you can also make it custom as well by attaching a style.custom attribute to it. And here inside you can target it style custom. So basically you can change the background color of the list to black and make it as important. So now you can see the background color has been changed. So you can also change the color as well. So let's suppose you want to change the color to white. You will see that the color has changed to white. So you can make it customizable according to you. So by writing these CSS properties, it's very much customizable and very easy to write. And the main thing is that you can also use some pseudo classes which is there in CSS. Let's suppose when you hover onto this, you want to change the background color. You can do this simply by having this color, let's suppose, and make it as important. So when you hover onto this, you will see the background color will change here accordingly. So you can just customize accordingly, guys, these properties. You can play with these properties. You can also change the font size of it. Let's suppose you want to increase it by 24 pixel. Just make it as important so that it overrides the rules. So now you can see it has increased here. You can also change the width and the height as well. You want to change the width. Let's suppose I change the width to 24 pixel and make it as important. So uh, 29, you can see that. Similarly, you can do this for height as well. You can see that. You can also do that for height as well. So height, let's suppose 56 pixel important. You can see that. So in this way, guys, you can customize accordingly if you want to. So this is the thing, you can do this. So this is a module sweet pagination. I have given all the source code in the video description. If you want to download all the source code, you can go to the video description link to download all the source code of this example. So let's start building this application, guys. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to Code Sandbox, or you can develop this application locally as well. I use this website a lot. It's a very good website to create React Angular projects. So it's very fast. So once it creates the brand new React.js application, you just need to add this dependency which is sweet pagination. So just search for this and you will get this dependency. Just install this on the background. So now after installation, what you will see here is that now you need to install this. So sorry, import this. So at the very top, we will import the React library. So we will say import React, and we will make use of the use state hook as well. So this will be coming from the base React library, and we also need to import the sweet pagination module from the sweet pagination module like this. That's all. And we just need to delete this, so we don't need this. Instead, we will declare a array inside this items array where we will be displaying it. So this will be, I will be calling this as items array. So here you will display items, just having this numeric array. You can also have strings also inside this. This can be mixed, floating point numbers, all that stuff. So for example, I'm just taking the integers here. So just taking random integers. So this is your items which will be displayed on the screen. And before, you also need to initialize your current page data. This you can initialize it to anything, current page data, and also set current page data. So with the help of this, we are setting the data for our application for the pagination. So for this, we will be using the use state hook, which is already included here at the very top. So here we will initialize a array. So you can initialize it any value. I am passing 2. We will use the fill method like this. That's all you need to do. And after that, guys, what we need to do is that we need to loop through this array. So inside this div here, so we need to, what you need to do is that you need to current page data, and we need to use the map method. And for each item, what we need to do is that this is the arrow function. So inside this div, we will display each of the items. So inside this item, we will first of all have h3, so which will be saying the, which will hold the actual item which will be displayed on the screen. So now basically you will see that if I refresh our application, so this is items, sorry. If you see here, this is items, so current page data. So for this, set current page data. So for this, guys, for this to initialize, we also need to initialize the sweet pagination module. So after this, what you need to do is that we need to import the sweet pagination, and inside this initializes, you need to pass some options inside this module, which is, we need to set the current page data, which will be equal to the set current page data method, which is initialized here. Data per page, how many items you need to display on the screen in one go. So this value will be typically, you can select any value. I will display 5 items on the screen. How you will get the data? So the data is there inside the items array which we have declared here. You will see that now if I initialize it, you will see the pagination is there. So it is displaying the 5 items on the one page, and if I go to the second page, it is displaying the next 5 items. So it is similar for that also. Some more options are there, which is navigation. If you want the navigation part option, you can also put it to either true or false. The default value is false, you can see that. And for the theme, you can also have theme also for the pagination. So various themes are available, which is style.1. This is the first theme. This needs to be surrounded in quotes. So this is style 1 theme. This has got the green background color. If I change to style 2, this will change to the blue one. If I change to the style 3, it will change to this theme like this one. So there is also a custom theme as well. If you want to make custom, just put a style.custom, and right here inside your style sheet, just style it accordingly. So just type here style custom, and then you can change the background color of it. Just any CSS property you can have, black, and then you can have important to it. So this will change the background color. If you also want to change the color to white, so this will change the color to white. So you can just customize it accordingly. So I have shown you how to do this. So whenever you hover onto this is a pseudo class. If you want to change the background color, so let's suppose you can select any color here and just make it as important, because it will not work if you don't make it important. You will see that now it will have this background color whenever you hover onto it. So you can just make it as custom as you want by attaching these css classes to it, style.custom. So this is the overall module, guys. I have given all the source code in the video description. If you want that, you can go to the video description link and copy all the source code. If you have any sort of doubt inside this video, you can ask in the comment section. uh, can I ask, so any questions, guys? I will definitely answer those questions, so you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer those questions. So if you have those questions. So Mahir is saying awesome video. So thanks Mahir for appreciating the efforts that I am putting here. So please guys also join for every live stream, such as I'm uploading multiple times a day. So for these awesome videos, for these awesome libraries that I'm sharing with you, especially React and Angular. So I started this, can you teach about React 18? Definitely in the future I will make videos on that topic as well. React 18, I don't know. Yes, I think React 18 is released. So definitely I will make a video on that topic as well. So definitely in the future, if you subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell icon. Definitely in the future I will make those videos. So we will look at new features which are released in React 18, which will make the applications even more good and effective. So definitely I will make a full course on that. So definitely don't worry about it. I will cover each and every aspect of it in detail and try to make awesome applications. So I already subscribed on you. So thank you very much for subscribing the channel, and also share my videos with your friends so that more and more people can join in with these live streams that I'm doing here. So thanks much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next stream.